we get into our next match, we do encourage everyone to go live on our social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat for a better experience with this following match. The following contest is a singles match scheduled for one fall with a 40-minute time limit. It is for the social media championship.
Your Instagram champion of the world is back! Come on! Come on, Click is back in town, baby! Come on! Oh, hell no! Get your ass somewhere, my son! We don't want to see you out here! You gotta get out! Get this split! Do it now! That's a madness! Get on your feet for the champ! It's Mr. Nasty time. That's right.
Introducing first, the challenger, accompanied by precious sweet daddy Princeton B. Coming straight out of the Santa Rita County Jail, representing good behavior and maybe he's sweet Wakende.
Yeah, you like that girl. You like that girl.
He is Chucky D. Diddy. Accompanied by the man of the microphone. From the south side of Tracy, California, he is one half of 2.5 Small and your reigning and defending social media champion. He is the 209 boy.
Be careful! Don't let him tickle your booty!
New champ tonight. Yes, it is. It's going to be a new champ. Yeah.
What is wrong with you people?
Tickle your booty. I heard that. Who said that? Come on. Hey, you want that? That's right. That's right.
You can't lose.
That's right.
You cannot lose. You know what losing means, don't you?
Oh, that's okay. He'll lose. I have something to say. I have something for 209 folks.
We don't want it.
Riddle me this. Riddle me that.
You're not
The
Batman.
one that violation is definitely black. We can chill. Watch Netflix. Then I'm going to rub my meat on your neck like a necklace. He's 21. He's not even in his prime. I'm going to make him toot that ass up because it's
Mr. Nasty Time. Come here, Michael Sam. Here. Be
I
tough
never
where
made
you
a lot of
were.
choices in my life, and me retiring and being a commentator is definitely not this tonight. Oh my Lord Almighty!
I don't think I'd work this guy.
You get back. You get back.
I don't even know what to say at this point.
It's not worth it.
I wrestled Chucky D before he was
Well, you
institutionalized.
can't lose.
And
Well, can't lose.
I actually beat Chucky D here in one of the early Dragons Den
Thank
shows.
God.
But then he got institutionalized, and then he became a changed man.
Fuck you, shut up.
And the Sweet Daddy King, Princeton King. I got nothing but love for the Sweet Daddy over there. He's a manager of champions. He used to manage the greatest faction of all time, the BLE.
That's right.
So I got nothing but love for him.
That's right. You know what, Chucky?
What else did he do for you guys?
He won us championships.
He does this kind of stuff. I'm about to make you go viral. Like your name.
Hey, what we had to do to win championships is our business. That's why we were always under attacking and stuff.
Ain't that right, Trip?
You ever wake up in a red room?
Red, blue, purple, you name it. I mean, we'll
And Roger Tripp doesn't wear one.
pulled out a
That's right.
cigarette out of the end of a cigarette. So he might
No, he
have
does
a
not.
lot of things on that.
We checked the keister. Ready? He got on a one. Ready to go? That's doggy. I guess.
And consent has been given because the bell has rung.
It's consensual now.
It is officially consensual because the bell has rung.
I would run.
I mean, running's
You
not-
can't lose. You gotta stand up for yourself.
running's not-
Or he'll never stop.
The fact that man is wrestling in some Jordan 4s, I already love that. Like, I love this.
It only works for a second.
Lord. The people are chanting Mr. Nasty. What is wrong?
I told you, these people are $6.
Right? No, don't do that. It's a weird.
Location's back, push him in the back.
You like that? Oh, he probably does.
He said he liked it.
Cody's winking at you.
Shut up,
Noah
Tom.
asked him if
I've
he
seen
liked
that
it.
already.
He smirked and smiled and said, yes, I did.
No, yes, Diddy, yeah. No! No, Diddy! No, Diddy!
It's like, see, Diddy. Oh, this is close. Oh.
We've seen a lot of slaps tonight.
Hold on, wait.
Sure.
This is for you, Chucky. That was for you. You my bitch now.
This is just,
Give me a free shot. Right here.
oh.
That was a good punch. He's got to hit him hard.
Gotta do something.
You got to put Chucky to sleep, because God forbid he puts you to sleep.
And he has multiple ways to put you to sleep. He has taken many courses.
He's got drinks.
Yes, he's got
Pills.
uppers, he's got downers, he's got sleepies, he's got, zippity doo dahs. You don't want to be around Chucky in the party.
Cosby special.
He's got his hand on his throat. He's picking him up.
If you Lord. Oh God!
Oh, he's got a press.
Beautiful move there by the 209 boat. Just a one.
I can't blame him. He was hoping.
Gotcha, bitch!
Somebody get a quick pain to get the hell out of there.
You gotta get out of there. The longer you go, you would see Diddy worse.
Because he only wants one thing. You don't care about him.
Wins and losses do not matter to him. What matters, in different terms, you can say is what he wants. You know,
That's how you get silly.
oh, at the ropes. Clothesline. Floating him out of the air.
Chucky doesn't like that.
On his back. Something you don't see all the time.
He should have hurt your leg if you ask me.
Definitely should have hit the leg.
John, be careful.
Chucky trying to like. Smart maneuver there by Noah trying to take out the arms.
Taking his arm out.
Yeah, he takes his arms out. He can't touch him.
You can't get touched if you have no arms.
Exactly. Oh, and the
And his
hands.
hands. Thank God.
Smart
Get rid of
maneuver.
that guy. Break both of his hands.
Mr. Nasty.
Don't say that. How dare you people? This is a conservative town. Bunch of conservatives and you're chanting Mr. Nasty.
That's a two. This crowd showed up so much worse than that tonight. And it's, my God, what a chaotic night.
These people are cheering for Diddy.
Oh, got him off for the scoop slam.
He didn't like that.
Now count it, now!
1, 2.
Just a two.
You might want to kick the leg. There's a guy named Gorilla Monsoon who always talks about hooking the leg. He's best kids. Don't watch that guy. He'll learn the hard way, I guess.
Somebody saying finish it.
It's a good start.
I was taking control of this thing. I was defending champion here. He's trying to ropes, the over. Yes, he got it. Oh, no. Oh, back
He went to the well,
oh,
too many times.
no. Off the ropes. Oh, eats that turnbuckle.
He's got that look in his eyes.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Gonorrhea!
He's gonna ride that rope.
Gonorrhea! Feel the burn!
He's gonna feel the burn. Oh my Lord! He calls out the gonorrhea.
That is so not nice.
Oh Lord, what's going on here? Oh, side kick to the
Hits
head.
him right in the face.
Whoa! Those J's gave him some hot.
Embarrassing kid.
Oh Lord, he's saying he's getting pumped up here. We're
A
at
little too pumped
ringside.
up, if you ask me.
Oh my Lord. Oh. Chucky has full control over his prey right now. Somebody said he's a diddler. I mean, to each their own. Oh God, look at the way he's manhandling him off the rope. Ouch. Oh God, Chucky, raise the count. Count is broken, so the count restarts.
Oh! Choppy, chop, chop to the chest!
Yep. I don't know. I'm scared to see.
Yeah! Come on. I need you back in there. You got it, Chucky.
They are outside Chucky. He's starting again.
You gonna give me that ass? You gonna give it to me the easy way or the hard way? Excuse me, Aaron.
Absolutely chaos so far.
Acidity is definitely taking advantage of this situation.
Oh!
I spoke too soon.
That's right. Whoa!
seconds.
Michael Shaw taking time to argue about what happened earlier tonight with him and then reversal. Noah.
There's nothing like that. There's
The referee Jake's threatening to take him out. Tell Michael Shaw, you gotta chill out. You're gonna be gone, boy.
Noah's got to capitalize on this, or else he is not going to like the ending of this.
No, not at all. Too busy taking burden. Taking eyes off of him. That's why you know. That might have been a 3 if you would have caught that. It's a little different.
Big back elbow from C. Diddy.
I think people forget he's got a background in MMA. People forget that. They see his martial art ability, his mixed martial art ability. Chucky, C. Diddy, whatever you want to call him, he's had multiple fights in MMA.
Oh, get up!
Bo kick it out. A lazy pin. That's the consequences to it.
What was it you were saying? Hook the leg.
Always. You have to hook the leg. You don't. Consequences to it. He's got to go hand in hand here.
See that he gets to his feet.
He's up his feet first.
Working the ribs.
Style knees. Right to the ribs. Noah's a relatively thin guy. Those knees to the ribs are very impactful. Oh, wait a minute. He's
Locked and loaded.
cocking the gun. Oh, wait. That's what he missed it. Oh, back. Oh, look at this. Wow.
Both men are down.
Surprising strength there for the 209 Bo.
What the fuck is so surprised about this?
Surprising that you were tired and you still pulled that out. I'm impressed, kid. And he's going for it. This is why you're a champion here. 1, 2, 3.
What'd you say?
Bo getting really frustrated with Diddy here. Diddy is not going down easy.
No, he isn't. He's fighting all the way through. You have to come over the game and win. Oh,
Don't fucking
He
touch
gets
me!
some frozen, it's like.
he was caressing that
Bitch ass
back.
up.
We come for that booty!
Oh! Whoa! Combos now. This is all whoa! Go for a big roundhouse. Oh! That's a Jeff possibly to get something going here.
Somebody got him spoiled!
He's tied up. C. Diddy.
Diddy reverses.
Oh!
What? Hold on. Did I just see what I think I saw?
He looked like Noah tripped. I can't see from my angle here. Did Noah trip?
No, I think Michael Shaw tripped Bo.
Oh, no. Oh, my God.
Bo knocked out. Oh, Diddy's going to get his.
Lord, wait a minute.
Diddy coming in.
Is he going to get that? Is he trying to go for a submission?
Oh, he's got it locked in.
He's going for a
Oh, my God. Oh, he's got it. He's got that look in his eye. He might have it. 1, 2, 3. New champion.
Win the title!
Chucky T.
What's happening? The down call, the 409 click is... What is happening? They're celebrating in the ring, they're dancing, they're at I'm gonna get up and do a little more two-step. I don't like what the hell is going on right now. You know, I want some Temptations. They're gonna do one too. What is happening right now?
I think C. Diddy is, what is happening is C. Diddy is walking away with the championship.
I feel sorry for whoever's going home with it today. They're celebrating extra. Congratulations to the social media champion, C. Diddy.
Big congratulations.
It's Mr. Nasty time!
And I I don't know what to think of what's happening now. A big, and at that, a rare miscommunication from Michael Sean could have just possibly cost. Could have cost both the 209 Dragons in social media championship.
I could imagine how Michael Sean is feeling right now.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. You know, the downfall must be studied, is what they say. I lost the words. It really sucks to see, I guess, but sucks to suck, I guess. Now we just have to wait and see. So I think for now we will give it a second here. We will take it away to our next match, which I believe is our second evening.